wonderful learning individuals. How are you all doing today? It's so great to have you here. Thank you all so much for pressing the play button. I am Johnny, your host with HomeCountry Mathematics. Now, let us learn some maths together, shall we? Alright, guys and gals, thank you for stopping by. Thank you so much for learning along with the channel. I appreciate you. You know I do. Alright, we are in Unit A, Section 1-6. The topic is perimeter and area of squares and rectangles. Alright. Because, remember guys and gals, sharing is caring. Okay, let me share with you this. Alright, there we go. That is for you so that you can, quickly grind out, smash all your mathematics problems. I mean, fun challenges. Let's go. You just simply need to, if you're on Windows, use the snipping tool app. You don't really need to save it, but you can if you like. Basically, you can go straight to printing. Okay? Alright. That is for you if you need it. Now, let us work on some more problems. We're going to work with squares this time. 2D square shapes. That does not look too bad. Alright, to represent that all four sides are the same, we shall do that. Same thing with the 90-degree corners. Okay, good enough, not too bad. The formulas for a square are as follows. Again, you can refer to that sheet or that snipping tool that I shared with you. P equals 4 times S. We're going to represent each side with the variable S. Okay, you only really need to show it one time, but these ticks denote that all four sides are equal. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. All right, the area now equals S squared. Okay, side times side equals side squared. Alright, sorry for the distraction, guys and gals. Let me do this. Whoops. Okay. Alright, let's work on some problems. A square with length 3 meters. Okay, so S is equal to 3 meters. I'm going to do it this way. 3 meters. There should be enough room. All right. Let's solve for the perimeter. 4S. Okay, we're going to do substitution. What is substitution in mathematics? Well, substitution is the process of replacing a variable in an expression or equation with a numerical value or another equivalent algebraic expression. Okay. Substitute 4 times S. S in this case is 3. Again, highly recommend you have your times table and or multiplication table memorized. You'll be able to grind out any and all mathematical problems that you may face. Again, they're not problems, they're fun challenges. Okay, so good luck on your studies and thank you for being here. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. And our units are meters. Do not forget your units. All right, let's solve for the... One sec, please. All right. Thank you for your patience. A is equal to S squared. I could write it like this, 3 times 3, which is exactly the same thing, or 3 squared. A is equal to 9 meters. Remember, it's 3 meters times 3 meters. That's what we're doing here. This is why you get meters squared. Okay. All right, let's do another. A square with length 15 inches. 15 inches. Whoops. Sheesh. That's supposed to be an N. Okay. I'll explain why I showed that after, okay? Let's solve for the perimeter for S. 4 times 15 . Okay. To do something like this quickly in your head, let me show you a quick trick. Okay, we're going 4 times, right? We know that half of 4 is 2. So if you can go 15 and 15 in your head, you know 2 15s equal 30. Well, if we double that, then our answer is going to be 60. Okay? So that's another way kind of quickly doing math in your head. All right? Or you could just go like this. And then just add those together in your head. Okay? Quick tips and tricks. Oh, I am not a fan of writing with a mouse. Sheesh! All right, 60 inches. And that's why I showed that, so that okay. Whoops. All right. Just staying focused here and getting some work done. All right. Area equals S squared, which equals 15. And like I said before, squared means multiplying the value to itself with the exact same value. All right. Long multiplication, shall we? I'm thinking it's 225, but I'm guessing. Let's find out. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry the 2. 5 times 1, 5, plus 2 is 7. Okay, we just did this place. Now we're here. Okay, because we're on this position, 1's 10s, we need the place filler 0. 5 times 1, 5. 1 times 1, 1. With multiplication is addition. 5 plus 0. 7 plus 5, right? I know 7 and 3 is 10. 5 is 2 more, right? So that's 12. Carry the 1, that is 2. Oh, look at me. 225. And our units are inches squared. All right. Good job, you guys. You're so awesome, you have no idea how you are. Okay, let me share a couple of problems for you to try, just for fun. Here they are. Okay, one square which is 1 inch, and the other one is 7 kilometers. Okay, have fun with those. Let's see. Yeah, okay, I'll leave it at that. I was just contemplating if I might just do one more video on this series just for more practice, because this one actually has fractions. All right, I'm excited. All right, guys and gals, thank you for watching and learning along with the channel. That is so great. You know I appreciate it. I truly do. I'll see you in the next video. I am Johnny, and take care for now.